guys, this is Rob from Honda World. Today we're going to show you how to remove the spare tire from a 2018-2019 Honda Odyssey. Alright, first thing we want to do is take out this middle seat. It just gives you a little extra room to work. Pull this little lever here, and then pull this strap. Seat tilts up, and you just pull it straight out. First thing you're going to need to do is remove your all-weather mat. Set it aside. Alright, you're going to lift up this flap here, pull up on this handle, remove this door, and set it aside. Next thing you want to do is reach in and remove your tool pack. And set it aside. Then you're going to find a little wing nut up here at the front. You're going to unloosen it, and then remove it. Now your spare tire is ready to remove. You slide your tire back in. Go ahead and retighten your wing nut. Alright, and then just slide your tool pack right back on the tire. And then add your panel back. And then just slide your panel right back in. Then we're going to add your all-weather mat. And you're done. And that's how you remove a spare tire from a 2018-2019 Honda Odyssey.